look for some aspirin same time, because here's your headache. You'll be free to go. But I suggest you get a hold of your brother and have a Wallace family conference and make up your minds. Which one of you will take the rap for this? Oh! How's the side coming? Oh! I didn't tell you you're free to go, right? And as for the diarrhea, bathroom is down the road.
Good evening, sir.
Claudine,
Yes, sir.
how come nobody never tell me that the vehicle gets stolen?
But to be sir, I didn't think it was really necessary because I mean the car came back and it was okay. So
What mean not necessary? From it missing, you should have called me and let me know. Now the vehicle.
yeah, but I mean,
Claudine, listen to me. The vehicle using a drive-by, and they're implicating me in that drive-by because it's a company vehicle where me own. Now the vehicle gets stolen and none of them call me and say, sir, something is happening down here, we can't find one of the vehicle them. We never see it fit for call me.
we just assume it was just somebody taking it for a joyride or something like that, sir.
You know, tell me something. Are both keys there? The spare keys there as well?
No, sir. It's only one key there.
Claudine, me call it back. Ah!
Yes, sir.
Everything all right with you?
Yes, sir. Everything is good.
Okay, bringing you up today.
Okay.
I haven't been on this one of the Wallace.
Uh-huh.
Pertaining to the situation with the king.
Okay.
Of course, denies all it. Although the vehicle even denies it's traced to him.
Okay.
So, as of the moment, based on what I know King has said about shutting down his site,
Mm-hmm.
he can be considered a person.
Sir, you sure? I don't think so. Based on me,
And your past association is not trusting your judgment.
sir, no. That's way in the past. There's no clouding of no judgment here, sir.
Well, I can certainly hope so. Let us not go against the evidence that's presented. The vehicle belongs to him. The vehicle was utilized by the persons who tried to murder or kill him. King has told him in a moment of anger or otherwise that he will shut down his site, which means a lot of money to him. He has motive. Brother also had had physical confrontation with the king, and the two brothers seem to get a little closer than before. But we can run a raffle and you decide which of the two you want to listen
Sir, I believe I'm more interested in Marcos.
to. I don't understand what you saw firsthand. At the same time, let us not discount anything.
Okay, sir.
You have to look at it with a clear, unbiased eye.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
By the way,
Yes, sir.
I left the present for you.
person.
King?
One and the same.